Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing some bomb ceviche, so stay tuned guys so you can learn how to make some for your man. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Let's get started. Okay guys, so what you are going to need is a bag of shrimp. It just really depends on how many people you want to feed, but I have this medium size and there is 4 of us, so that is completely enough for us. And also I have some crab imitation. You're going to need some lemon, and you can have it all natural. I like to put some lemon juice just so it could be like more juicier, because you are going to need to let it cook for at least 2 hours. And also I picked this up at the store. Let me tell you that this is spicy, but it helps it like get a really nice spicy taste to it. And also I have some avocados, some chips, tortilla chips, or you can have some tostadas, and some cabbage. Okay guys, so I forgot to tell you, but you are also going to need a bowl. I got this one because it's deep, and I wanted to, whenever I put in the shrimp and the imitation crab, I wanted to soak in all the juice for at least 2 hours. And so I'm gonna just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I washed my shrimp just because I don't like it to feel so slimy. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut up my shrimp, and I'm gonna mix it with my imitation crab. I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit in the lemon for at least 2 hours so it can fully cook. And the shrimp, you can just cut it, you can cut it whatever size you want. I just like to cut it a little bit small, enough so we can put it on the tostada or with the chips. Okay guys, this is how it looks. And then we're just gonna go ahead and put some lemon juice and let it sit in the fridge for at least, well, you can let it sit in the fridge as long as you want, but at least 2 hours. And that will just give it enough time for the shrimp to cook in the lemon. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cut the cabbage, and you can cut it as thin, as thick as you want. It just depends on how you want to eat it. And I like to cut mine like this in little strips, and then I go ahead and cut them into little pieces like this. I want it to be able to fit in the tostada. Okay, now I'm gonna cut my jalapeno and my serrano, and the same thing, you can cut it as thin, as thick as you would like. Okay guys, so it has been an hour and a half, and I'm gonna go ahead and put in my cabbage, my jalapenos, and my avocado. Also, I'm going to put in this hot sauce right here, the habanero one. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my hot sauce. Excuse me guys if you hear my washer going and my dryer, is because I'm doing some laundry. Mommy has duties. And you can add this hot sauce. You don't really have to have it or buy it. This is just because I like it spicy. But this hot sauce makes it have a different flavor, a really good different flavor. It's called hot sauce salsa picante de chile habanero el yucateco. It has a weird name, but okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut up my avocados, and at the end put a little bit of salt. Okay guys, so I am gonna go ahead and put this back for another 30 minutes in the fridge, and after that I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and we're going to taste it. You can eat your ceviche with some tostadas or some chips, and also if you want your ceviche to be a little bit more spicier, I recommend you using some salsa valentina. My mouth just waters by talking. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into my plate and try it out to see how it came out. Okay, so you get your tostada, you get some ceviche, you put it on your tostada, you add some salsa valentina if you want some. Okay. And then you eat it. This is my favorite part. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like the ceviche that I made for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye guys.
Bye guys.